Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how some people earn more money every year, but somehow never feel richer? Their salary increases, their lifestyle upgrades, yet their stress stays the same, or even gets worse. Here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not always lack of income that blocks wealth. It's hidden mistakes, silent habits. Most people never notice. And today, we're exposing them. Not the obvious stuff like don't waste money or save more. I'm talking about deep, invisible wealth blockers. The kind that keep even high earners broke. If you fix just one or two of these, your financial life can completely change. So stay till the end. Because the last mistake is the one almost everyone makes without realizing it. Mistake number 1. Lifestyle creep, the silent wealth killer. Lifestyle creep doesn't feel dangerous. In fact, it feels earned. You get a raise. You upgrade your phone, move to a nicer place, eat out more often, start spending like you deserve it, and maybe you do. But here's the trap. Your expenses rise at the same speed as your income. So no matter how much more you earn, you're still running in place. This is why many people making $100,000 a year feel just as broke as they did at $40,000. Because wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep in control. Real wealthy people don't instantly upgrade their lifestyle. They upgrade their assets first, lifestyle later. If your income grows but your savings don't, that's not progress. That's a prettier cage. Mistake number 2, confusing income with wealth. This one is huge. Income is what comes in. Wealth is what stays. You can earn a lot and still be poor, and you can earn average income and quietly build serious wealth. Here's the difference. Wealth gives you options. Income just pays bills. If you stop working today, how long can you survive? 1 month? 3 months? A year? That answer tells you the truth. Too many people chase higher income without building financial buffers, emergency funds, cash reserves, investments that generate cash flow. If one unexpected expense can destroy your finances, then money is controlling you, not the other way around. Mistake number 3, poor cash flow management. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a timing problem. Money comes in, money goes out, but never in the right order. Bills hit before income. Subscriptions drain quietly. Credit cards smooth over chaos. And suddenly you're living paycheck to paycheck, even with decent earnings. Cash flow management means knowing exactly where your money goes, planning expenses before spending, giving every dollar a job. Wealthy people don't wonder where their money went. They already decided where it would go before they earned it. If you don't control cash flow, your bank balance will always feel like a mystery and a stress source. Mistake number 4, ignoring small leaks because they don't matter. This is where most people lie to themselves. It's just $5. It's only $10. It's not that serious. But here's the math people avoid. Small leaks don't look dangerous daily. They're dangerous over time. Unused subscriptions, frequent food delivery, impulse buys, interest payments. These don't destroy wealth loudly, they destroy it slowly. Wealth is rarely lost in one big mistake. It's lost through thousands of tiny, unexamined decisions. If you don't respect small money, big money won't stay with you either. Mistake number 5, emotional spending. This one is uncomfortable because it's not logical. It's psychological. People don't spend money because they need things. They spend money because they need feelings. Stress leads to shopping, sad leads to eating out, bored leads to scrolling and buying, insecure to showing off. Money becomes emotional therapy, and the worst part? The relief is temporary, but the financial damage is permanent. Wealth requires emotional discipline, not just financial knowledge. Mistake number 6, chasing appearances instead of freedom. Many people don't want wealth. They want the look of wealth, nice car, luxury brands, Instagram lifestyle. But real wealth is invisible. No pressure, no debt stress, no fear of one missed paycheck. Here's a hard truth. Looking rich often makes you poor. Being wealthy often looks boring. Most millionaires don't flex. They don't need to. If your financial decisions are influenced by what others think, social pressure, online comparison, then money will control your identity, not support your freedom. Mistake number 7, no long-term thinking. This mistake doesn't hurt today, it hurts later. People think, I'll start saving later. I'll invest when I earn more. I have time. But time is the most powerful wealth-building tool, and it's non-refundable. Starting early with small amounts beats starting late with big amounts. Wealth rewards patience, consistency, and boring repetition. If your money decisions only focus on this month, your future self will pay the price. Mistake number 8, relying on one income stream. One income equals 1 point of failure. Jobs change, markets shift, industries disappear. Yet most people put 100% of their financial survival into one source. Wealth grows faster when money comes from multiple directions. Skills, side income, investments, digital assets, businesses. Diversification isn't about being greedy. It's about being prepared. If one income stops, your life shouldn't collapse. Mistake number 9, avoiding financial education. Schools teach us how to work for money. They rarely teach how money works, how debt really traps people, how assets grow, how taxes quietly drain income. So people guess. They follow advice blindly. They repeat patterns they never question. Wealth isn't built by luck. It's built by understanding the rules of the game. And the truth is, the game rewards those who learn intentionally. Mistake number 10, waiting for the perfect time. This mistake sounds harmless, even responsible. People say, I'll start investing when I earn more. I'll fix my finances once things settle down. I'll take money seriously next year. But here's the truth no one likes to hear. There is no perfect time, only delayed action. Wealth doesn't come from perfect conditions. It comes from imperfect starts. Most people wait until they feel ready, while disciplined people start small, messy, and early. The biggest financial regret people have later in life isn't losing money. It's not starting sooner. Here's something important most financial advice ignores. Wealth is not built by motivation. Motivation fades. Wealth is built by systems. Systems that automatically save, automatically invest, automatically limit bad decisions. Rich people don't rely on willpower. They design their environment so good decisions happen by default. If your system is broken, no amount of motivation will fix it long term. Remember this, your future won't be shaped by one big decision. It will be shaped by the small financial behaviors you repeat when no one is watching. If you control those habits, money becomes a tool. If you ignore them, money becomes a source of stress. No matter how much you earn, the choice is quiet, but the results are loud.